You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see? You're everything I hope for. You're everything I need. You are so beautiful to me. There he is, you guys. Come on. Quiet, Petey. They're together. Oh, no. This is awful. Luckily, I'm your fishing pole. Oh, Darla. We're two hearts with but one beat. Two brains with but one thought. Two souls with but one shoe. Then how can you belong to that silly woman haters club? You know, I'm a woman. Sort of. Let me tell you something, Darla. I'm not like those guys. I'm a sensitive male. I'm in the sharing, caring, feeling, and healing. I'm in touch with my feminine side. How nice. It's worse than I thought. You know, Alfalfa, the big talent show at the fair's coming up. And I was sort of wondering if maybe you'd like to sing with me. You mean it? I'd be honored. Hey, I've got an idea. Let me take you on a picnic tomorrow. Excuse me? So while you feed my soul, I can feed your face. Cool. And to prove you're proud of me, why don't we have our picnic in your clubhouse? No! Tomorrow? Swimming day. Sure. Oh, Alfalfa, you're a sweet poo. Yeah.
Oh.